No life story here, but I just want to tell you that there is a really cool like appendix in the back of all kinds of edible flowers. Do you ever just want to like put edible flowers in your butter, in your hummus, in your salads? It's just so beautiful. If you want to like sprinkle them into a drink, if you host dinners, this is like next level. So it gives you a whole list of edible flowers that you can obtain or grow. There's a recipe in here for flower petal butter. Yum. Flower petal goat cheese, flower petal shortbread cookies. These are my favorite cookies. You can do them with rosemary, lavender, rose petals. They are amazing. And the recipe in here is gluten-free. Flower-infused liqueurs. And then we have a section here on poisonous and very poisonous flowers, so you know which ones to be really careful of. Those are not the ones that you want to put in your bath water. We talk about floral dyes and different kinds of like cooking dyes and sun dyes, red, yellow, orange, blue, green, all the colors of the rainbow. And at the end, there's some flowerific resources like where to find flower elixirs, flower films, floral and botanical books, our favorite books for happy living, music with flowers and flower themes, and where to find organic dried flowers, and then a whole list of beautiful botanical gardens all over the world. And then of course the end notes for you science freaks who want to know all the science and the details behind why flower essences work with scientific studies. It's in the back. Thanks for following our series of the Flower Revolution. If you really like this, give us a shout out below and tell us what else you want to know. How else can we create a cool new series for you to explore?